In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off journal suggestions on iPhone. So I'm starting on my iPhone by opening the Settings app. Once I'm inside Settings, I'm going to scroll down toward the bottom until I find Apps. There are a lot of options here, so I'm just moving down the screen until I see it. Once Apps appears, I'm going to tap on that. Now I'm inside the Apps section, and from here I need to find Journal. Since the apps are listed alphabetically, I'm just going to scroll down until I get to the J section. I'm moving through the list, looking for Journal, and once I find it, I'll tap on it to open the settings for that app. Now that I'm in the Journal settings, I'm looking for the option called Skip Journaling Suggestions. This is the setting we need for this process, so I'm just checking through the page until I find it. Once I see Skip Journaling Suggestions, there should be a toggle right next to it. To turn off journal suggestions on iPhone, all I need to do here is tap that switch so it turns on. Once the toggle is enabled, that means Skip Journaling Suggestions is active, which turns off those journal suggestions on the iPhone. There's no extra save button to press, and there's no separate confirmation step after this. The change happens right away as soon as the toggle is turned on. I'll just stay here for a second and make sure the switch is actually enabled. If the toggle is on, then the setting is active and the journal suggestions are turned off. That makes it easy to confirm everything before leaving the page. I'll go over the full path again while I'm here so it's easy to remember. We opened settings, then scrolled down and tapped on apps. After that, we found and opened journal, and once we got into the journal settings, we turned on skip journaling suggestions. That's the full process from start to finish. If you're following along with me on your own iPhone, just take your time while moving through the apps list because that's usually the only part that takes a little longer. Once you get to journal, the rest is very simple. You just open the settings, look for skip journaling suggestions and turn it on. So I'm still here on the journal settings page now, and I can quickly double check the toggle before leaving. As long as the skip journaling suggestion switch is on, then the setting is enabled. That means journal suggestions are turned off on this iPhone. This is one of those settings that's really quick to change once you know where it is. You don't need to go through extra menus, and there's nothing else you need to adjust after turning it on. Everything happens directly from this one setting inside the Journal app options. If you ever want to come back and change it later, you can follow the exact same path again. Just open settings, go to apps, tap on journal and check the skip journaling suggestions toggle. But for turning off journal suggestions, enabling that setting is all you need to do. Once that's done, you can back out of settings or close the app completely and your change will already be applied. So that's how to turn off journal suggestions on iPhone. Just go to settings, tap on apps, open journal, and then turn on skip journaling suggestions. That's all you need to do.